Most people don't realize it, but there's a force working on their money every single day. And it's either making them wealthy or quietly making them broke. That's just the reality of the situation. Albert Einstein, one of the most intelligent minds of all time, he called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. He had a famous quote. He said, "He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it." Where do you think most Americans are? See, the problem is most people, they're on the wrong side of that equation. Welcome to the Overland Retirement Strategist channel. I'm Greg Smith. Let me share with you one of the most powerful rules of money the wealthy have leveraged to build fortunes over time. It's called the Rule of 72. You take 72, divide it by your rate of return, and that tells you how fast it takes for your money to double. So at 2%, you're only doubling every 36 years. And at 4%, every 18 years. Hard to build wealth that way. But at 8%, now we're talking. Our money's doubling every 9 years. And if we can get 12%, now it's doubling every 6 years. That's no small difference. That's literally the difference between saying, welcome to Walmart at retirement, or hearing, welcome to Disney World. You know, here's where it gets real dangerous, though. The Rule of 72, it applies to inflation as well. If your money's sitting in low interest accounts or being eaten alive by taxes and market losses, inflation, it's the silent enemy, and it works against you. So you're not earning compound interest, you're paying it. So inflation alone, it can cut your purchasing power in half over time. And most retirement accounts, they're designed to defer taxes, not eliminate them. And that's a real problem. And the wealthy understand this. They position their money to compound efficiently while minimizing risk and eliminating unnecessary taxes. They don't just grow money, they control how that money grows while using it. As you can see, I'm out here in nature. You never know what's going to happen here. So the real question is compound interest working for you, or is compound interest working against you? Now, if you want to be on the right side of that equation there, click the link below. That way we can show you how to get compound interest working in your favor. And we really appreciate you watching the video today. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe. Turn the notifications on. That way you'll get notification as soon as we drop new educational content. Live with passion and purpose. And remember, make it a great day.